Hello children, welcome to Spark Physics by ASHISH SHARMA sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. I am back with a new video, again very important topic, that is centripetal acceleration under the heading motion in a plane, that is your second unit kinematics. Okay, so what is centripetal acceleration? Centripetal means center seeking, which will be acting towards the center. तो जब ऑब्जेक्ट सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव करती है तो वहां पर एक एक्सेलरेशन काम करता है, दैट एक्सेलरेशन इज सेंट्रिपिटल एक्सेलरेशन. इसका डायरेक्शन क्या होता है? इट विल बी अलोंग द रेडियस टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. सेंटर की तरफ रेडियस के अलोंग ये लगेगा, राइट? तो क्वेश्चन आता है कि डिफाइन सेंट्रिपिटल एक्सेलरेशन, derive expression for it, and hence write its or mention its direction. Now you see, I have taken the diagram. There is a circle of radius r, center O. At any time the object is at point P having velocity v1. After some time del t it reaches point Q with velocity v2. You know direction of velocity is given by tangent at those points. Okay, so we have made the tangents. Now to find the change in velocity, we will be taking external point A such that this AB will be showing velocity vector, AC will be showing velocity vector v2. You will find this del theta, or we can say the angle between these AB and AC is del theta, which is between OP and OQ. Why? Because you know the angle made by the radius vector is equal to the angle made by the tangents at those points of the radius. यहाँ पर tangent कौन से हुए? This. इसको extend कीजिए, इसको पीछे लेकर आइए, this angle will be del theta. Okay, so don't confuse. Now using triangle law of vector addition, क्या करें? One vector is this, another vector is this. So when you go like this, this will be your closing side. So v1 plus del v will be equal to v2, isn't it? That means AB plus BC will give you AC. Triangle law of vector addition yaad hai? For that we need to see the previous videos. Yes, I have written all these things which I have told you. We have taken external point A and this AC equal to V2, parallel and equal to V2, AB parallel and equal to V1. To find the change in velocity, we will be taking triangle law of vector addition, AB plus BC, as I said just now, AB plus BC will give you AC. Substitute that, BC will be equal to AC minus AB, it is V2 minus V1. Suppose it is del V, change in velocity. Okay, now you see I have told you just now how these angles are equal. Angle POQ equal to angle BAC, that is equal to del theta. I hope the concept is clear. What we are doing, it is clear. We are just trying to find out what will be the acceleration when the object moves in the circular path. अब ये सारी चीजें तो clear हैं. OP and OQ is the radius. These angles are equal. So what you will, and these velocity vectors are equal to V, which is equal to AB equal to AC equal to V. That means this triangle POQ and BAC are similar triangles. और जब triangle similar हो जाते हैं तो we can write their ratios of the corresponding sides. Okay, so PQ, you see here, PQ upon OP should be equal to BC upon AB. Corresponding side हुआ. PQ how much we have taken? Del S. If this angle is small, obviously arc will be equal to this length of the chord. So we can write del S upon OP is radius, BC you see, which we have calculated del V, we are talking about in magnitudes. AB is velocity V. So from here we can write del V is equal to V by R into del S, dividing by del T. See what we are getting? Del V upon del T equal to V upon R del S upon del T. If we write this del t timing is very small, that means we can take the limit on both the sides. For del t, limit del t tending to 0, del v upon del t, which is equal to limit del t tending to 0, v by r del s upon del t. Okay, del v upon del t is nothing but acceleration. V by r, what is this del s by del t? It is velocity. So we can have this, we can write centripetal acceleration, C for centripetal. So AC is equal to v square upon r. One more relation you can write. What is that? Since we have v is equal to omega r, यदि हम v की जगह पर ओमेगा r रख दें तो what we will be getting? Omega r into omega r. Omega square r square divided by r will give you omega square r. Okay, this is the derivation. बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत आसान है, but it is important, equally important as projectile motion. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and please repeat this again and again, so that watch this again and again so that you will have confidence on it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment भी करना है and spread as much as you can. Let's see how many subscribers you can increase. Thank you once again.